This is Hog Country, life on the Appalachian Trail.
Well, this is Hog Country coming at you. Beautiful morning, a great sunrise, okay night of sleep. There was, couldn't do much on the shelter. There was about 20 people in the shelter with us, so I couldn't do any videoing. But we had shelter full, tents all around, pretty happening place. So anyway, today we are leaving Icewater Spring Shelter, and we are heading down to I'll have to get the name of the shelter, but it's Tricorner Shelter. It's about 12.1 miles away. FarOut is still broke, so we're not getting really good readings as far as mileage, etc. So hopefully they'll get that fixed. It seems to only be in the Smokies for some reason. But everybody that we talked to, all the hikers, all section hikers, through hikers, all of them are saying the same thing. Just something not quite right. So anyway, well, I'm gonna mosey on down this trail, and I'll check back in if I run across anything interesting. We had a lot of ice this morning trying to get out of the shelter. There's ice everywhere on the path, so it's pretty sketchy this morning. But it looks like as we're going down the mountain, maybe that won't be the case. But anyway, I'll check back in a little bit. Another perfect example of why we do this. Wow. Again, pictures don't do it justice, but wow. Anyway, we're heading on down the trail. It's been cloudy most of the day, but sun looks like it's trying to peek out. So we'll see. It'd be nice to get a little bit of sun. We didn't have many days with a lot of sun, so it'd be nice to have some. Anyway, I'm gonna get on down the trail. Just thought I'd show you that view, and I'll check back in. This is Hog Country coming at you live. Look at that view. Well, not me, but behind me. Nice. All right, just thought I'd check in, show you another view. Okay, I think we're on the last climb to the shelter, and as I always state, I always shut down when I get to the shelter because I want to respect people's privacy. So we'll see. I know there are definitely going to be a bunch of people there again. Seems like all through the Smokies they make you stay in the shelter at least until it gets full, and then you can pitch your tent. They got a lot of different rules here. But anyway, we're finishing up the day, and it's Tricorner Knob Shelter. Make sure I'm telling you right. Tricorner Knob Shelter. Tricorner Knob Shelter. So it's been about a 12-mile day, if FarOut is correct, which it has not been. But we believe it is this time. Out of 3 or 4 people, you'll have one that works correctly. So anyway, the one we're using has been working, so we believe it's 12.1 miles. So anyway, I'm going to shut down for the night. If I get to camp and I can do any kind of videoing, I'll certainly do so. I'll at least snap some pictures, and we'll call it a wrap. Okay, I just flew up that hill, the last one of the day, hopefully. Sign pointing. Down to what I hope is the shelter. Anyway, we have arrived.